So guys, as you saw by the title and intro of this video, we're going to be unboxing the Salvager from Spin Master Monster Jam Series 11 or Mix 11, however you guys want to call that. As you guys can see already, this truck is badly damaged. The packaging, I've had this thing in the package for so long, but then it just got worse and worse over time, and now it's not even worth keeping in the package. You guys can see right there all the bends and yeah, all the cracks here, guys. You can see also a lot of like wrinkles, but yeah, here the trucks in this case. We have the Elementals, Gravedigger, Nitro Neons, Dragon, Batman, Solar Fortune, Black Ops, Legacy Trucks, Bounty Hunter, Raisin Cane, Alien Invasion, Inverse Alien Invasion, and the BKT Ride Trucks. It is with a VIP wristband, and it's from the Reckless Trucks series. This is basically the team captain of the Reckless Trucks. And yeah, I can't wait to get the Salvager unboxed. Let's do it right now. Get nice and focused. Here we are, guys. Oh my gosh, that was the hardest packaging for me to ever open. I don't know if I ever wanted to open this, but whatever. It was badly bent, and I would have never been able to keep it in package. I would definitely buy another one in the future, maybe for Christmas, so I can have one in package, since it is my favorite truck in history of diecast. So here we go, guys. Here is the Salvager. This is the first time I'm ever touching the diecast. Here we have the wristband and the poster. I have never actually seen a wristband in person, but here it is. It has the monsterjam.com logo on it. You guys can't even see it. Then we also have the Monster Jam logo on the wristband. It's just a wristband, don't really care about it. Here is the Mix 11 poster. I have never seen one before except for on video, but I forget also now what's on the poster and what's on the back. So for the back, we have the Dragon, which is pretty cool. And then, ooh, for the poster, so here's the poster. We have the Gravedigger, Elementals Trucks, Dragon, Batman, Solar Fortune, Bounty Hunter, of course, Salvager is there, Raisin Cane, and there you go, the BKT Ride Truck. That is a very solid poster, in my opinion. Never seen one before in real life, but hey, pretty cool, and pretty cool accessory. Not my favorite, though. But here we are, guys, the main part of you guys going on this video. We have the Salvager. So, Salvager, probably one of the most epic-looking diecast trucks in history. We have different colored rims. So here we have a red rim, a blue rim, if I can get that to focus, a brown rim, and a green rim. Then we have these side graphics, which you guys can see right there. We have a lot of rust tone, the exhaust pipes. It's just an epic looking truck. There it is, the front. We have the side. The roof has a little bit of rust, but you can barely even tell. Here's the back. We have a oil drum, looks like, with a bag, which is pretty cool as well. And yeah, that's basically it for the Salvager diecast. This is definitely my favorite truck of the year, guys. Let me know if you guys think the same way. This truck is, oh my gosh, it's just incredible. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Yeah, more videos coming soon, and I'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, peace out. Monster Jam Firestorm out.